Hello, today is October 5th, 2024. Just wanted to make a quick video of a few small cap stocks that are outperforming the market at the moment. It looks like the stock market's kind of broadened out. So if you had investments in Eli Lilly, Nvidia, or other large cap growth companies, here's a couple stocks to take a look at that may see gains a little bit quicker. So far, the first one is CAVA Group, ticker symbol CAVA. It's up over 100% in the past year alone and continues to climb higher. I personally have been buying CAVA Group at 125 or lower. If it falls below 123, excellent place to buy in. Other companies to keep an eye on is you got ticker symbol VST, another great company. It's up over 200% in the past year and just continues to climb. Had another double-digit gain this past week. I currently picked up a couple of call options this week. I'm up 10% already. So definitely check out ticker symbol VST. Should continue to have another amazing quarter, this fourth quarter. And then the next company, keep an eye on Carvana, ticker symbol CVNA. I've already did a YouTube video on Carvana. This company just continues to climb higher and reached an all-time high at over $180 a share. It's also up over 200% and has the potential to continue to make steady gains in the fourth quarter. It should go over $200 a share sometime in the next 3 months. It's anybody's guess when, but we have more rate cuts scheduled for I believe the first week of next month. So 4 weeks. All of these stocks that I've just mentioned should continue to do extremely well. Also, other companies, keep an eye on Costco, has earnings on 10/9. We'll see what happens there. If you're back into large growth companies, Costco's an excellent long-term investment. Also, Eli Lilly, Nvidia should pick up sometime here in the fourth quarter. But in the meantime, if you're just looking to day trade and have a company that's just continued to climb higher, that's not been stagnant the last 3 months, definitely pick Carvana, CAVA, or ticker symbol VST. All great companies. Also, if you've been keeping track of what's happening in global news, there's been an oil shortage, because of trouble with Iran and Israel. ExxonMobil is at all-time highs, trading at, I believe it's at 123 a share last time I looked. Personally, I'm staying out of big oil at the moment, but a lot of money to be made just day trading that company. If it goes back below 119 a share, you can probably pick up a few shares and make a decent profit day trading ExxonMobil. But mainly the companies that are outperforming the market right now have been small cap companies. And I personally believe that you'll be seeing more of the same. This is a repeat of a few years ago when GameStop and other meme stocks had a nice run. Just the same thing happened again this year, and now we're seeing the small caps outperform the large caps. So it's just basically history repeating itself. Also, we had a jobless report on Friday. It was a lot better than expected. There's 233,000 more jobs than expected. So basically unemployment's down, inflation's under control. So we're doing exceptionally well. A lot better than expected. The Fed's got inflation under control, so we're probably setting up for a nice Christmas rally. Also, you can check me out on YouTube and Instagram, as well as TikTok, Twitter. I've got my own TikTok live and Instagram live between 8:30 and 9:30. So feel free to join me. We can talk about any stocks you'd like me to do a deeper dive into. As always, do your own due diligence. Very important to understand your companies that you own. These are investments, and each stock has its own personality. Some stocks like NVIDIA and Eli Lilly are up in the pre-market just because of the hype. Also, if there's some news from across the sea that shakes NVIDIA, something happens with the semiconductors, get shook by some global news between maybe President Biden makes a statement about China and it affects the prices. It's very important to understand what's going on with your company and how it trades. I believe NVIDIA and these other semiconductors, AMD and a few others, all take major hits depending on what's happened globally. And so it's important to stay current. I personally prefer Bloomberg News. I get up at 4 a.m. and watch that every morning, and it pays to pay attention. Also still doing the Webull Challenge, up over 32,000 in stocks. I'm down in options at the moment, but we'll see how my current calls pan out. If you'd like a free stock from Webull, please click on the referral link in the comments below. Also hit the like and follow button. Trying to get this account monetized. Also, if you want to get my trade signals, follow me on Twitter at Josh Delosier. It's totally free. It's a win-win. Other companies we're keeping an eye on this week. Probably going to keep an eye on ticker symbol BABA, Alibaba. It's had another amazing run this week. The Chinese stocks are starting to pick back up, along with Tesla. So that's also another repeat from years past. So basically, if you're going to buy Tesla, my buy price at Tesla is at $244 a share. And Alibaba, if it falls below 110, I'll pick up some shares of Alibaba. Otherwise, I'll probably stay out of it and just day trade Tesla. There's a great opportunity to make a ton of money in the coming weeks. Just buy low and wait for the Fed to cut interest rates. You stand to make a nice profit in companies like Tesla, NVIDIA, especially in Carvana. I believe Carvana went up over 7% during the last rate cut. So it actually had the biggest gains. And I'd say we're going to see another dip in price right before rate cuts. And then the stock market should rise a good, back to all-time highs. So, we're doing extremely well. Also, I don't know if you trade Bitcoin or Ethereum, check out ticker symbol MSTR, MicroStrategy. It's a stock that I day trade this week. I got a buy price at $160 a share. You can make an easy 2 to 3% every week day trading MicroStrategy or more, just depending on how aggressive you are. Right now I'm not really a big believer in the crypto markets because they're down from their all-time highs. I think Bitcoin's trading around 60,000, maybe slightly higher. But check out Micro Strategies, because you can trade that company without paying the fees. Appreciate everyone watching my video. I'll make another video next week. Please hit the like and follow. I'll see y'all back here next week.